If your Instagram live stream is lagging, this is going to be the video that is going to be helping you to solve it. The first thing you're going to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi, or you could try toggling between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to avoid weak signals. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and close all the unused apps running in your background to free up the resources. Now, if that is not the case, your application might also have a pending update. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and update it on time. If that is not the case, you might need to simply lower the video quality if needed to reduce lag during your live stream inside of your video quality section. You can also turn off extra features like filters, effects, or add-ons that slow down your stream. If that doesn't work, try restarting your application and also try restarting your phone, which should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.